Alright, I got this 1990 Rude starting up. This is the one that I filmed a couple of years ago and got a brief clip of it running. And the compressor sounded really nice, so I saw that it had been cycling today, so I decided to go for it, and I'm glad I did. Working really well, very cold and sweaty. Did I say Rude? I meant Rheem. Rheem Classic IX. So this is a 9-seer, I believe. It's got a Copeland reciprocating compressor, which sounds very nice. Alright, cool. It is a metal tag Copeland recip. Very nice sounding. It sounded even better on the really hot day. But pretty sure Van said he really liked this unit, so. Nice. Got that starting up. Get a thumbnail shot. Okay.